Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel KANYA Art and Craft. This is Tebo Priya and today I'm going to share a very special video for a very special occasion. I clearly remember last year around this time I uploaded a video on Ganesha Idol making using clay and I got more than 3000 plus views on the first day itself, and for me it was like huge. It's a big achievement for me. Thank you so much everyone for loving my videos, appreciating my work throughout the year, and trust me, this is the only thing that motivates me to create more and work harder. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming project. Now let's get started. First I have drawn the sketch on a paper, then used a yellow carbon paper to trace the design on a canvas. After that, if the sketch is not visible properly, then you can highlight the lines using a pencil. Now, as you can see, I have already started with the coloring part. First I have applied cadmium yellow color on the top part of the dhoti, and then I am applying cadmium orange on the lower part of the dhoti. Now blending both the color on the center part to give a gradient shade using flat brush number 4. Follow the same process for the other side. Applying cadmium yellow on the body as a base coat using flat brush number 4. Apply sap green on the stole part. Applying dark maroon on the bina. Applying white color on the face part. Applying vermilion hue on the forehead using round brush number 1. Applying turquoise tape on the background using flat brush number 6. We need to apply 2 layers of this color on the background to give a uniform look and minimize the patchiness. First cover the corners, then apply all over. Now applying a stroke of grey color on the ear part and blending the inner side using a clean wet brush. Here you need to use 2 brushes. One for applying the color and another one for blending the color. And always remember to clean the blending brush after each stroke. Wipe off the extra water from the brush and blend it again. Now follow the same process for all the strokes. Creating depth on the eyes by applying the same grey shade around the eyes. Following the same process, first applying a stroke, then blending it using a clean wet brush, And as I have already mentioned, do remember to clean your brush each time you blend a color. Applying light brown color to create shadow effect on the body. Blending the color using same technique. First, you need to clean your brush using water. Wipe off the extra water from the brush and then blend the color. Applying few strokes of red color to highlight the folds of the dhoti and blending each stroke using a clean wet brush. Applying light yellow color on the top part of the dhoti to highlight. Applying dark green color to create folds on the stole. Again following the same process for blending. Applying dark brown color to create shadow effect on the corners. Now using an old rough brush, the brush has to be dry. We need to continuously dab the brush like this to blend the color with a base coat. See, this is how you need to blend the color using a dry brush technique. This is one of my favorite technique for blending. I use this technique for most of my painting. Applying orange color. For the Bina string, I'm using a very thin brush, that is 000 size brush. Now use a black or a dark brown color and draw the lines following the same line that we have drawn on the sketch. Now to highlight those strings, I'm applying light yellow color on the side of the string. Using brush number 00 and black color to draw the eyes. Orange color and applying few dots with the dot painting tool. Applying white dots using dot painting tool to create jewelry design. I have shared few techniques of blending in this video, so just do let me know if you're really interested to watch more such painting technique related videos in future. applying yellow dots on the Beena part. Applying a darker shade of turquoise tip around Ganesha to create depth and to highlight the front object, that is Ganesha. Now using a palette knife to create few colorful strokes on the background part. First I'm drawing a line, then just dragging color from that line. And trust me, this pattern is going to create a very beautiful texture on the background. So here I'm also applying some stroke of white and few strokes of yellow as well to make the background colorful. And we are done with this painting. This is how the painting is looking like. I personally love the outcome, but your feedbacks are much more important to me. So do let me know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to share your recreation with me in my Insta or Facebook page. I would love to see your version of this painting. And last request, if you really find the video was helpful to you, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day and wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye.